First, organize your survey data in Excel such that serial number in the first column, X coordinate in the second column, Y coordinate in the third column, Z coordinate in the fourth column, and remarks in the fifth column. Make sure AutoCAD is open before you start using SW DTM. If you haven't downloaded SW DTM yet, click the link in the description below to download and install it. It's completely free. So let's get started. Open AutoCAD and type the command units. Set the drawing unit type to decimal and then insertion scale to millimeters and click OK. Now go to Excel and select all the data you want to plot or transfer into the AutoCAD. Now open SW DTM and click on points, then import points from Excel and then choose import points. If you cannot see the points, double-click the mouse wheel. You should now see that all the points have been plotted complete with points name, RL and remarks.